Hi guys, nothing in the charity shops today, so I treated myself to another security camera. You're in Tesco's. I get, well, these are priced at £30, but I get £10 off with my Tesco club card, so it only cost me £20. I've got Calex remote switches for some power sockets, but I haven't got a Calex web camera, IP camera, but I have now, so we'll try it out. It'll be interesting to see if I can link it to any of my existing apps. I've got Clever Dog. I've got three Clever Dog security cameras. And then I've got an unbranded Chinese one. Well, I expect they're all Chinese, one way or another. I was hoping to save that, but it looks like I've ruined it. Never mind. Right, let's have a look inside. Okay, got some instructions. I'm assuming it's USB supply. .5 volt input. Micro USB. Reset button. Micro SD card slot. Not quite sure what those are. That looks like a microphone. Lens protector. Oh, come on. Okay, sticker, so you can stick it somewhere. Does that actually bend? Oh, yeah, that bends. So you can stick it somewhere and then point it where you want. And a USB supply, power supply. Download the Calex Smart app. Well, I'm pretty sure I've already got that on my phone. Click on Add Device. Input Wi-Fi password. Okay. Red solid light on. Camera network is abnormal. Blinking red light. Awaiting Wi-Fi connection. Blue light solid on. Camera running correctly. Blinking blue light. Currently connecting. Supports up to 128 gigabyte micro SD. Right, well, I'll set it up and we'll see if it works. I won't show you me setting it up because I don't want you to see my Wi-Fi password, although it's unlikely any of you will be close enough to make use of it. And I'll go and see what we've got in way of micro SD cards that I can stick in there. Right, red light is on and I put a 64 gigabyte. Oh, and music. Haven't actually set it up yet. We'll see if we can do a screen recording of me setting this up on the Calex app. So we're recording at the moment. Right, we want to add a device. That happens to be up at the top here, plus add a device. Okay. We heard a beeping noise. I'll have to tell you, it is now flashing blue light on it at the moment. But it says it's not found anything. Try again. Right, we appear to be working, and I'm trying to record directly from the IP web camera, actually watching it on my phone at the same time. And I'm quite pleased with the quality. So we'll see what that's done. Right. We are now screen recording the feed from the IP camera. Which might seem a little bit of a complicated way of doing things. It all worked. It actually worked easier than I expected it to, and I spent a lot of time trying to connect the camera when it already had connected. So I was fussing around and it was working. I thought it hadn't connected. So that took quite a lot longer than it should have done. I have recorded some footage and saved it, and it's a lower resolution than me doing what I'm doing here, which is screen capture of the live feed. So I'm getting a better quality picture by doing a screen capture of the live feed than I am recording it and playing it back, if that makes any sense. The live feed is probably a little bit jerky. If I move my hand, it's a little bit delayed. So I expect my voice will be out of sequence or out of sync with what we're looking at there. But I'm quite pleased. The quality of that I'm looking at on my phone is fine. So I'll just have to decide where I'm going to put it, because the reason I bought this was to replace the one that I use for monitoring my 3D printer, because this one should give us night vision. I should be able to switch on the infrared, whereas the one that I currently use, even though it was sold as having infrared on it, it was a fake and it doesn't have infrared, whereas this one, well, I haven't tried it yet, but this one I'm pretty sure does, because it's a genuine article. Yeah, Calex indoor IP camera seems to work, and I paid £20 for it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.